Hi, welcome back to my channel. This is Rob Menghini. I thought I'd get the other GT750 out called Chromageddon. This is another one of Andrew Jones's, Hammie's creation. I've just changed the fuel on it and put that preserver in it. I haven't fired it up yet. The battery's flat, but I am going to attempt to kick it. So we want to get the new fuel round the carburetors and let it run. That is the trickle charger, but the battery's flat. It will not start. I probably need to get a new battery, to be honest. The bike is stunning. Everything's been chrome plated, side casings. The attention to detail is brilliant. It's just like the other one. The other one lives in my conservatory now, which I can show you that one while we're at it. There it is. My last video was showing this one. Just a lovely, lovely machine. There we go. How gorgeous is that? This one's equally as nice, I think. Not so garish. The attention to detail is just lovely, like I said. Different brakes, loads of stuff. Side casings, chromes. It's just lovely. He even went through the bother of having a petrol tank chrome plated. And then had it all painted in. Another nice feature of this bike is the side panels are actually made of steel. They were sourced from America apparently, so they were chrome plated. So these are actually steel rather than your plastic. Another lovely bike, GT380. Now the preservative I use is this stuff. It's called Briggs & Stratton Fuel Fit. So like I said on the last video, this will fit is enough for 25 litres, which is a jerry can. You can put the whole lot in if you want. One of those. Now I'm going to attempt to start this bike. It always starts first time. So let's give it a shot. I'll just prop this phone up. There we go. See how we get on. Ignition's on. Choke's on. Give it a kick. Because the battery, as you can see, nothing there. I think what helps with these classic bikes is you keep them in a heated room. It's been in my living room, which has been heated, and it's just running. It's just lovely. Never got cold. It doesn't oxidize. All I've done is put a duster on it this morning. It's come up lovely. That's the choke off now. Guys, you need to smell this. It's just insane. There we go. Look at this. Chromageddon. Love it. Apparently the paint is Ford Focus RS metallic. It has got a lovely metallic fleck to it. enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, as I'll stick the odd video on now and again of these lovely classic motorcycles. Thanks for watching. Cheers.